How anyone can find job opportunities in the growing Web3 world. Web3 is more than just a playground for developers or crypto enthusiasts, it's opening up tons of opportunities for all kinds of people. Whether you're creative, a teacher, or even have a background in law, there's a place for you in this digital revolution. Let's dive into a few areas where you can start your Web3 journey. 1. Content creation and community roles. One thing that makes Web3 projects stand out is how much they rely on strong, engaged communities. That means there's a big demand for roles like content creators, community managers, and social media strategists. If you're someone who enjoys writing, loves interacting with people, or has some experience in digital marketing, these roles could be a great fit for you. Web3 projects need folks who can help build and maintain an online presence that resonates with their audience. 2. Education and training. Since Web3 is still new for a lot of people, there's also a growing need for educators and trainers. If you have experience teaching, making tutorials, or breaking down complex topics, you could help onboard newcomers to the space. Explaining things like wallets, NFTs, and decentralized finance, DeFi, can make these concepts more approachable for those just getting started. It's a great way to use your teaching skills in a whole new, exciting way. 3. Legal and compliance roles. Web3 is moving fast, and with that comes a whole lot of new rules and regulations. That's where legal professionals come in. If you have a background in law or compliance, there's a huge need for advisors who can help Web3 projects navigate this new landscape. You'd be helping companies stay compliant as they grow and work through all the legal challenges that come with decentralized tech. It's a great role if you're looking for something with a mix of law and tech. 4. Creative opportunities. If you're more on the creative side, Web3 has a lot to offer, too. From NFTs to decentralized platforms, there's a huge demand for designers, artists, and creatives who can bring ideas to life. Whether you're a graphic designer, animator, or video producer, your skills could help Web3 projects stand out visually. These projects need compelling art, branding, and UI/UX design to capture the attention of the online world. Web3 isn't just about coding or crypto, it's about building a whole new digital economy, and there's room for all kinds of skills. If you're curious about jumping in, start by learning the basics of Web3, upskill in areas that interest you, and connect with projects that excite you. There's no limit to what you can do in this space.